Pointless? Sports cars even have back seats. Nobody can actually sit in them, yet almost every sporty coupe includes them. And yes, there's a reason. Think of coupes like the Nissan GT-R or the 911, rear cushions that are comically small, barely usable for kids. So why not ditch them and save weight? The answer lives in a few places: motorsport homologation, insurance classification, and engineering. Racing rules pushed brands to sell road-legal versions with real interiors, so that rear perch stuck around. Insurers often treat pure two-seaters as higher risk. A 2+2 can land in friendlier categories for buyers. And engineers use that rear volume for structure, crash energy, weight balance, and as a built-in shelf for bags. So yeah, they look useless, but they're there on purpose.